Good day, all pet matters. For today's video, we are going to talk about avoiding heat stroke for dogs. What can we do as a pet owner to avoid our dog suffering from the deadly heat stroke, especially this summer season? If the temperature is very hot and our dog is not drinking water, then she might suffer the heat stroke. Okay? Especially when they are thirsty for a very long period of time. Example, when we go to work and without knowing it, they have no water on their feeding bottle if they are in the crates. Okay? Or they have feeding bottle water like this, water feeder on their crates, but it's only half full. So they can consume that quickly and without we knowing it, no more water for them. Okay, so if we are going to work and we're leaving our pet on a crate, we make sure that we pour water, this water, full of water. Okay, bottle full of water. Okay, before putting it on our crate. Okay, and we make sure we clean also the nozzle, because sometimes the nozzle is being blocked by the dirt. So if we have no time to clean it, then we better replace it with new one. Okay, so that we can ensure the free flowing of water on our water feeder. Sometimes our dog bite the metal part here, and then they create a hole, and the water drips very quickly and empty our water feeder. So the next time our dog want to drink water, there's no more. So we need to check it every day, especially when we are going to leave our dog for a long time. Okay, this 500 ml water feeder for my dog, she can use this for 8 hours. So if we are going to leave our dog for a longer period of time, we can replace this with a 1 liter capacity or a 2 liter bottled water capacity, and we use water for this bottle. We use the filter water or bottled water like we humans drink. Okay, sometimes we use bowl to put water for our dogs to drink. So if we don't have water feeder, we can use bowl, as long as we make sure before we go to work or we go somewhere else, she drink water already, and we put another full of water into this bowl. Okay, so we can be sure that our dog will not be thirsty until we got home. Okay, if we have a large breed like Labrador, we need to give our Labrador plenty of water. So we use the pail. Okay, so we can be sure that she will have plenty of water for the whole day, and we changed her water every day. You see, she's drinking her water. So can you imagine if we only gave her a bowl of water? So that won't be enough for her. It's very important for our dogs to have plenty of water during these summer seasons, because it may cause heat stroke to our beloved dogs. I also spray water on the floor or clean her area in the afternoon so that the temperature will be lessened. I also put her some shades. Okay. She likes water. Make sure that I give her clean water every day, and also I keep her bucket clean, because dirty water is not good for our dogs. If you like our videos for today, please hit that like button, comments, and subscribe. I'll see you again on our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.